Hello friends, welcome to Biology and Career.
Today's topic is types of cell division. Cell division is a process by which a cell divides and forms two or more cells. The cell which divide is known as mother cell and the cells which are formed are known as daughter cell. Actually, the cell division is a part of cell cycle. There are three types of cell division: amitosis, mitosis, and meiosis. Now I will discuss these types one by one with diagram. So first, amitosis. It is a simple and direct division. In this process, the nucleolus and nuclear membrane remain intact. That means there is no extinction of nucleolus and nuclear membrane. Third, chromosome and spindle fibers are not formed during cell division. Fourth, mother cell does not distribute equal chromatin material in two daughter cell. That means in daughter cell there have no equal chromosome and that's why there have some problem in reproduction and metabolism. Fifth, this type of cell division occur in lower organism like bacteria, yeast, amoeba, etc. and also in mammalian cartilage. That means it is a simple and direct division. Now see the process of amitosis with diagram. This is the parent cell which divide. Then see the parent cell dividing and the nucleus elongates without extinction of nucleolus and nuclear membrane. Then the constriction of membrane and cytokinesis occur and form two daughter cells. This is the way of amitosis cell division. Now see the mitosis cell division. This type of cell division occur in somatic cell. Second, it's an indirect division and chromosomes divide equally in daughter cell. That means the number of chromosome in mother cell and in each daughter cell is equal, and that's why it is known as equational division. Third, the sites of this type of cell division are skin and bone marrow of animal, growing region of plants like root, leaves, etc. Fourth, mitosis cell division complete through prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase and at last cytokinesis and form two daughter cell. Now see the mitosis cell division with a diagram. This is the mother cell where DNA replication occurs and chromosome become double. Then the nucleus and cytoplasm divide and form two daughter cells with equal number of chromosomes. The nucleus divide through karyokinesis and the cytoplasm divide through cytokinesis and at last two daughter cells form. If the mother cell is diploid, then each of the daughter cells are also diploid. Now see the meiosis cell division. It occurs in germ cell. It is basically for gamete formation and transfer of hereditary information. Here the mother cell divide in two times and form four daughter cells. First time meiosis 1 and second time meiosis 2. Here the number of chromosomes become half in daughter cell. That's why it is known as reductional division. That means from diploid to haploid. Now see the meiosis cell division with a diagram. This is the mother cell where DNA replication occurs. Then the mother cell divide into two daughter cells. This process is meiosis 1. Then these two cells divide again through meiosis 2 and form four daughter cells. Here the mother cell is diploid but the 4 daughter cells are haploid. That's why the meiosis process is reductional division.